If there is any tiny bit of you that's ever wanted to start a business creating content online, now is absolutely the time to start. Although there is still and always will be room to succeed, I believe that it's about to get a whole lot harder for new people to enter in, and the trends we've seen in the past support this idea. By the same token, those that get in now will already be so far ahead that all of the new competition won't really matter. Hey there. If you're new to the channel, my name is McAllister, and I help parents and those without a lot of time build online businesses that can be run in just a few hours a day or less. I've been building online since 2011, and I've got to see cycles of this whole creator economy thing come and go several times now. There's a few things I've noticed that maybe you'll notice too. Here's the big issue. Whenever there are rapid job losses, people use this opportunity to start online businesses. Creator businesses are popular because they don't really require much money at all to start up. They also provide someone who has just been fired from their job a way to finally do something based around their passions and feel some hope and excitement during what would otherwise be a very difficult time. We saw this happen when the pandemic really started coming into full force in 2020. A massive amount of jobs were cut, and instantly we saw a massive amount of people launch new blogs, start new YouTube channels, and post their first podcast episodes. Most of those people are no longer around, probably because they didn't really have any sort of strategy, but the content still remains up, taking up valuable space in the search results and making it harder for newer creators to get their content seen. There's talk of another recession coming, and hey, I don't know if that's true or not. But of course, it will happen at some point, and when jobs start getting lost at scale, the same exact thing will happen that we saw in 2020. People will realize that their jobs were never as secure as they thought they were, and they will have extra time on their hands as they look for new employment, or they'll decide it's finally time to start that podcast or YouTube channel they've always wanted to start. That means more people to compete with, dividing up the attention among more people, leaving less for each individual creator. To make matters worse, and this is a bit of a tangent, Google's been releasing new AI overviews that are taking traffic from bloggers, and I predict many people who are blogging now, who will already have content creation experience, will transition over to making YouTube videos and producing podcasts instead. Now, Google's still fully rolling this out, but it'll be expanding to more of the general public for more search queries soon. This is personally why I'm focusing more on YouTube myself, whereas blogging was my main thing for over a decade. That being said, it's not all downsides. There is one benefit to the coming recession. As jobs are lost, more people will spend more time consuming content as well. We definitely saw this during 2020 as well. Way more people were stuck at home, binging YouTube and podcasts, and browsing the internet for hours and hours each day. This made for a great time if you were already an established creator, but a way harder time if you were just getting started. Therefore, I encourage you to start your project now. That way, when a recession does happen, and it inevitably will, be it this year, next, or several years from now, you'll be in a position to capitalize on it. Creator businesses often benefit from recessions, whereas most other industries suffer from them. If you want to learn the exact system I use and recommend, sign up for my free workshop at jamesmcallisteronline.com/workshop. It'll show you everything you need to know, such as how to choose what to make content about, how to ensure your audience grows over time without you having to learn complex marketing strategies, what to do for your first 10 pieces of content, and more. Again, I'm mainly focusing on parents who work a full-time job already, so it's set up to work for you in just 1 to 2 hours a day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more creator tips, and I hope to see you again soon.